Action.
Hey guys, I have a new person on my couch today, but he's the person on my couch every day.
Our couch.
Our couch. He lives here. He's the man behind the camera with all of my field trips. This is here. We've been together for over almost 2 years. Almost 2 years?
Over almost 2 years.
Over almost 2 years. Yeah, wow, crazy. And we have a problem with our relationship. And we just did not know how to fix it. But we have discovered the remedy, the cure-all, and this is what we're doing today with this project, this whole series.
Some say it's quite a risk.
It is.
But we thought we would take a clue and try and combat the monopoly that this issue has over our relationship.
We're just really, rolling the dice on this one and
this game of life.
Seeing where it takes us.
See who wins.
If you haven't figured it out already, we are talking about
board games.
Games, exactly. So here is one of the biggest board game freaks I have ever met. He loves board games. Our house is full of board games, and I dabble in the board game, but I'm a classic board game lover, I would say. My favorite game is Clue. I love me a good session of Clue, game of life. Still waiting for Jumanji to become a thing. Here, on the other hand,
I like good games, newer games.
Clue is great.
Clue was great. So Raven likes old games. I like new games. But in a relationship, it's important to compromise. So we're going to talk about old games.
Exactly. Yeah. I win.
In particular, really old games.
Really old games.
We're going to combine our interests with games and archaeology by talking about
ancient games.
Ancient games from
I'm so excited.
Ancient Egypt to
Mesopotamia
to
ancient Rome
to
India
and more.
Just everywhere. We're going to be, looking up all of the oldest kind of board games in the world. So we're talking,
And this will be a series.
It's going to be a whole series.
So we're going to be talking about old games, where they come from, the archaeological record, and what are we going to do with all that information.
Then we're going to make the game. All right, we're actually going to make it because Geert has so much cool technology because he has a game company. He owns a game company. He is a game master. Mystery City, go find them. He designs games. He does all that stuff, and he's very good on, all the technology things that I don't know how to do. So we are going to do that. We're going to kind of combine our two loves, our two obsessions, essentially, to make one powerhouse series of ancient games.
Yes. We're going to use Raven's brains and my design to take all her cool knowledge and at the end create working models of these historical ancient games that we can play and maybe even review.
This could end our relationship.
It could.
These are the two things that we value most in the world. We love the most in the world, more than each other. So it could divide us, but
like Monopoly, it tears families apart.
Does it really?
It does.
I've only played full Monopoly once.
It's terrible.
No. Needless to say, this entire series is going to be sponsored by Mystery City Games because he has all the wood for the laser cutter.
That's true.
Yeah. So that's about it, really. It's gonna be fun. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Very excited. So if you don't want to miss out on a single video of this series, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell button as well, that bell icon, to get an alert whenever we do post a new game video. It's gonna be quite fun. I'm excited.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. I like building stuff. I like games. I like hanging out with Raven. So I'm very excited.
Yes. And I like Geert.
She wondered. She wasn't sure.
It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a good bonding process. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get researching.
Wow. Where? Let's go.
Stay dirty, my friends.